Assalamu alaikum friends. Today me and my family are at the Peak District. Come and join me and let's have fun together. Because of lockdown, we couldn't go anywhere and we were bored at home, so we decided to go on an adventure. We wanted to do something really fun. We went for a walk. It was very nice and peaceful. We could only walk and not climb up the hills because we had my baby brother and we had to put him into a pram. Let's see how far we can go with the pushchair and the baby. The place was very beautiful and my brothers were looking at the giant hills. They liked looking at hills, and on the path water was onto it because the river had overflowed. My brother kept on splashing into the water. The water is cold, but we still had to go across it so we can go back onto the path. I went first and my dad helped me and my brothers. My dad went across 7 times. Across the stepping stones. My dad's feet must have got very cold. Here we are on the other side and back onto a path. Me and my brother's feet have gone cold, and my baby brother is enjoying waddling along. My brother even tried to climb some of the hills. Look at this tree trunk. It's in the shape of a marlin butterfly. And show them that one. That one is the shape of a gigantic tarantula. The hardest part on our walk was the steps. We were okay, but with my baby brother, it was a lot of hard work. Me and my brothers are rushing ahead. We were a long way up and there were lots and lots of trees. My dad had to pick up the pushchair and my mom had to pick up the baby. And once we got to the top of these stairs, we found another set of stairs, but it was a bit easier because we just had to go down the stairs. Look at the sheep so high. It must have gotten lost. How will it go back to its home? On the way back down the stairs, we saw a farmer picking up another sheep. It must be hard work for the farmer to pick up all the sheep. They kept on going everywhere. We are heading back now. It is quite hard with little children, like my baby brother. We have to go over the stepping stones to go on the way back. The river was even more overflowing than before. We kept on splashing through the water and then we played a game of poo sticks on the bridge. And I won! Hooray! It was great fun. Our day out was great fun, and on the way back on the big hill we saw lots and lots of sheep. Allah Hafiz, bye.